Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Gadget Shop. Today in this video we will be discussing and sharing the best and top rated future techs from Amazon. So stick with us until the end. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more daily videos and updates. Let's get started. This isn't science fiction. These products really exist. What's more, you can buy them. Number 10, a Blade Runner inspired lightsaber umbrella. It's controlled by 3 AAA batteries and has 7 LED color alternatives. There's an on and off button just as a flashlight on the base. Promising review, this umbrella rocks. It was a gift from my better half. It dries rapidly so he doesn't need to haul around a dribbling umbrella. The saber part of it has the choice to pick a color or even have them substitute. They all look truly striking and lovely, particularly at night. The flashlight on the base is truly useful at night when we're strolling our dog as well. My significant other gets huge loads of comments on this umbrella and I intend to purchase more in the future. Truly, it's the coolest umbrella ever. Trivial Shark 388. Number 9, an Echo Spot for catching up on the news. You can utilize the Echo Spot to watch video flash briefings, see music lyrics, weather estimates, commotion and shopping records, peruse and pay attention to audible book recordings and then some, all through voice order. You can likewise request that Alexa turn on key home devices, settle on decisions, or order an Uber. Promising review. I simply love this thing. Regardless of whether it was minimal in excess of a morning timer, I'd love it. It simply looks so great. However, it's quite a lot more. This was my initial introduction to a digital assistant that is not on my telephone. The quantity of skills you can empower for it is marvelous. I began with having it control our bedside lights. Obviously, there's every one of the typical alerts, weather, general knowledge searches, even games. I especially like true or false. It'll say something and inquire as to whether you believe it's right. It likewise keeps track of who's winning. Extraordinary approach to get fascinating realities. I've likewise associated with my Arlo security camera, so I simply need to say Alexa show me the front entryway, and I can see it on the little screen. I use it to play music a great deal. The Amazon Music administration is incredible, particularly as it is a rule-showed lyrics as well. Nevertheless, I regularly additionally use Pandora. So I say something like Alexa play elective 80s on Pandora and she does. You can handle volume by the buttons or by requesting that Alexa increment or decline, or by saying something like Alexa volume 5, pee healed. Number 8, an automatic pet feeder. You can set up to 12 meals to feed on your pet's timetable, and you can likewise utilize the Feed Now alternative to feed your pet external ordinary feeding times. With the app, you can get notifications from the feeder and control the feeding distantly. There's likewise an extraordinary slow feed alternative, permits the food to apportion gradually over a brief period. It's intended to feed on time as programmed regardless of whether the Wi-Fi association is lost or the feeder is offline. Promising review. Incredible product, feeds my pet automatically, or I have a webcam to check whether their bowl is vacant. In case it is, I'll physically feed them either nearby or the nation over. Entirely reliable, works incredible. Energetically suggest for travelers, not satisfied. Number 7, Cyclops Sunglasses that are not just a prop. Promising review. As an eager biker and runner, these are my go-to glasses. They don't have the ordinary nose piece like most sunglasses that stalls out in your hair in the event that you push them up on your head, and they're excessively impeccably fit such that I never disapprove of them sliding down my nose. Pulled over security from bugs, wind, and dust, yet in addition a pleasant airflow for ventilation. At the point when I do push them up, I can without much of a stretch wear them as a cool looking hairband, and nobody is the more astute. I have 2 pairs, reflective blue and clear pink, and will purchase a couple of more colors soon. Totally love them. Locket Shark. Number 6, a magical stand. How does this stand keep your device up? It has a nano foam cushion that utilizes microsuction technology. A huge number of microscopic suction cups make a vacuum seal when squeezed against any device with a level metal surface. The little version can uphold devices up to 8 inches, while the customary version upholds devices up to 10.5 inches. Promising review. I telecommute most of the time. This astute device holds my cell for me at the ideal point, so I can see approaching messages, stream music, and browse my own emails. This solidly holds my phone, yet is still simple to withdraw my phone when need be. I don't have a clue how I at any point oversaw without it. It's a work area needed. Tamara. Number 5, a reusable notebook for blasting your notes directly to smart devices via an app. It's justifiable with Pilot friction pens. One is incorporated with the notebook. Promising review. I love it. I will concede that the progress from paper to digital with regards to notes is certifiably not a simple one for me. However, this is an awesome method to kind of find some middle ground. You actually have the activity of composing, which I observe to be truly significant in gatherings and meetings to generate new ideas. However, without the utilization of proper and paper and endless notebooks. What's more, having the option to toss things into the cloud makes them available regardless of where you're working. Handy. Meredith. Number 4. A motion sensor toilet light. This LED toilet has 16 colors that can deal with a revolution or as a strong color. Promising review. This apparently senseless little gadget has ended up being extraordinary. The light level splendor can be darkened down whenever wanted, and the color can be set to anything you desire. Yet basically you don't have to turn on a splendid overhead light, which awakens me and drives me mad, not a decent blend, when you need to go into the bathroom at night. Cleaning it is a breeze, as well seemingly it will be a problem isn't. I can't suggest this toilet night light exceptionally enough, and I'm not afraid to let it out. Could be on the gift list this December. Lee R. Gurr. A tiny Bluetooth speaker. It accompanies a travel case. Promising review. Passed up the sound quality put out from this minuscule, inexpensive speaker. It's smaller than usual in size, however shockingly weighty and all around assembled. I dropped it on a hard floor and it didn't get an imprint or break it. Puts out sound almost equivalent in quality to my more expensive 100 speakers. It paired effectively, yet doesn't have additional provisions like sound adjustment on the speaker straightforwardly, which is fine since it costs under $20. There's no metallic quality to its sound output. It conveys full rich sound with great bass. Battery life is good for a minimal expense speaker. I genuinely have no bad things to say about this product. It's an astounding speaker for so little cost. Alex. Number 2. A metallic peel-off mask. Promising review. One of the most mind-blowing peel-off covers I've utilized. The aroma is truly light and charming, not overwhelming. Skin certainly looks more brilliant and more radiant after use. Doesn't disturb my exceptionally touchy skin, and it really peels off without any problem. There's presumably enough for around 10 complete applications. We'll totally be buying once more. Jennifer S. Number 1. Robot Vacuum. This RoboVac has an infrared sensor for sidestepping obstructions and drop detecting tech to step away from falls. It likewise automatically re-energizes so it's consistently prepared to clean. It accompanies a controller, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning instrument, an additional arrangement of superior filters, 4 side brushes, and 5 cable ties. It can tidy persistently for as long as 100 minutes. Promising review. We are extremely satisfied with our Yuffie, who we named Sneaky Pete in light of the fact that he is exceptionally peaceful and can sneak up on you. We run him 2 times per day and are constantly astounded how much grime and pet hair he gets. The guidelines are basic and clear, cleaning is simple. He travels under beds and sofas where we would not ordinarily have the option to reach with a traditional vacuum. In the wake at looking at all the leading RoboVacs, we picked the Yuffie in light of the fact that it was appraised as high as expensive ones. It was not exactly 50% of the cost. We picked well. Like all RoboVacs, Pete will become confused in a space that is dark because of the anti-fall security highlight. Like a dark fix of a rug, however, we don't hold that against him. Our dog is absolutely unconcerned with Pete, which is another charming astonishment. We are extremely happy with our Yuffie, Dana Brinkley. Do you like this video? Also subscribe and share to our channel Gadget Shop. Do let us know your thoughts about whether you might know any other future tech gadgets in the comments section.